Now if we apply the Cramer's rule, then we can solve dy dE bar, dy star dE bar, and dt dE bar. And by applying the Cramer's rule, the value of dy dE bar is equal to S star plus M star over delta. Then we will get dy star dE bar is equal to M over delta, and the value of dt dE bar is equal to minus M S star over delta. Now what is the value of delta? Delta is the determinant of this matrix. Now let's solve the value of delta. Delta is equal to, so the first term will become 0, then we will have to start from the second term, so minus S plus M. So we have to ignore this column and this row, and then 0 into minus M star will become 0, and then we will have minus S star plus M star. Now there is already a negative sign here, so this will become S plus M into S star plus M star. So S plus M times S star plus M star we will get, and then the next term is M star minus M star, then we have to ignore this column and this row, and then we will get this subdeterminant, and then by multiplying this we will get 0 into M minus M, that is plus M. So we will get minus M star into M. Now if we simplify this, then we will get S star, then we will get S M star, then we will get M S star, then M star minus M star. So this will become S star plus S M star plus M S star. So this is a positive term. So the value of delta is a positive term. So then when we are getting dy dE bar is equal to S star plus M star over delta, then this is a positive term. Then dy star dE bar, which is equal to M by delta, is also positive because delta is positive and M is positive. And this term is negative because M S star, both the terms are positive, and delta is also positive, but there is a negative sign here. So this dt dE bar will become negative. Now what is dy by dE bar? By applying the Cramer's rule, we are getting dy dE bar is equal to S star plus M star over delta, and from here we are getting S star plus M star, and then delta is S plus M into S star plus M star minus M star, because the value of delta is this. So we can write in place of delta this expression. Now if we divide both the numerator and denominator by S star plus M star, then we will get 1 over S plus M minus M star over S star plus M star. So this is dy dE bar when there is a repercussion effect, foreign repercussion effect between the trading partners. So this is the value of the foreign trade multiplier in the presence of foreign repercussion effect. So this is the foreign trade multiplier when we are considering the repercussion effect. Now let's consider what is the foreign trade multiplier, what is the value of foreign trade multiplier when there is no repercussion effect. So when there is no repercussion effect and we are considering the equilibrium in the domestic economy, then the equation is y is equal to E, which is a function of yg, and then we have the trade balance, which is a function of y and y star. Now what is dy, which is equal to, so we are taking the total differential in both the sides. So dy is equal to dE bar. So here also we are considering an exogenous expenditure. So a change in exogenous expenditure is denoted by dE bar. Then we have delta E, delta y dy, and then we have the change in the trade balance. So delta T del Y dy, then we have delta T del Y star dy star. Now what is dE dy? dE dy is, we know that this is equal to 1 minus s. So in place of d del y del E del y, we can write 1 minus s, then we have dy, and then when the trade balance is T, which is equal to x minus my, and there is no repercussion effect, so that is why we are not considering here y star. There is no foreign influence of foreign income that we are considering. So this is simply x, and this is exogenous. Export is exogenous in this case. So then what is delta T delta y? This is simply minus m. So in place of delta T delta y, we can write minus m. So we have minus m dy, and there is no y star here, so this can be written as ty only. So there is no y star here when there is no repercussion, because in that case export is exogenous, and we are not writing here that export is equal to m star y star, because there is no repercussion effect. We are assuming that the repercussion effect, the foreign repercussion effect between the trading partners is absent. So that is why we are not considering here y star. So here the trade balance of the domestic economy is simply the function of y, the domestic income. So therefore y star will not come here, so this term will not be there when we will be taking the total differential. So we will get this. So from here, what we are getting? From here, if we take y dy common, then on the left hand side we will have 1 minus 1 plus s, and then there is an m here, plus m here, and on the right hand side we have d e bar. So what is dy dE bar now? dy dE bar is equal to 1 over s plus n. So when there is no repercussion, so this case we are considering when there is no repercussion effect between the trading partners. So when there is no repercussion effect, then we are getting that dy by dE bar is equal to 1 over s plus m. And when there is repercussion effect between the trading partners, and we are considering that, so we are considering y star also, the influence of y on y star and the influence of y star on y. So in that case, the foreign trade, the value of the foreign trade multiplier is 1 over s plus n m minus this term. So if let's compare these two terms. So which term is greater in value? In the absence of, so basically dy by dE bar, we are considering now when there is no repercussion, and the value is 1 over s plus m, and this dy dE bar is equal to this when there is repercussion. So which term is greater in value? Here this term is in the denominator and there is a negative sign here. So what is m? M is the foreign trade multiplier, the marginal propensity to import of the domestic country, and this is the marginal propensity to import of the foreign country, and this is the marginal propensity to save of the foreign country. So therefore this whole term is positive. So we can say that m star over s star plus m star, this whole term is positive in value, and this term is in the denominator but there is a negative sign here. So this term is in the denominator and at the same time there is a negative sign here. So therefore this 1 over s plus m minus m star whole divided by s star plus m star is greater than 1 over s plus m, because the denominator is now less in value, and therefore this whole term, so this is the reciprocal of this term, so therefore the whole term is greater in value as compared to this term 1 by s plus m. So therefore we can say that the value of the foreign trade multiplier is greater in value when we consider the foreign repercussion effect between the trading partners. So our conclusion is that the foreign trade multiplier is greater in value when repercussion effect is present. Between the trading partners.